Welcome to my channel. I am Lolly, and today I'm going to be doing a product review. I am trying out Sophie's Kitchen vegan crab cakes. I've actually had them before, but since the last time I've tried them, they've changed the package, and I don't remember having to do all this when I made them. I don't remember. So I'm not sure if they changed the product or what, but I just made them. I made them with some eggs and avocado, and they said to try your hot sauce of your choice. This is what I have available, so this is what I'm going to try. Okay. I cooked it according to the directions. It said to thaw it out in the refrigerator, but I actually thawed it out in my microwave because I didn't know that I had to thaw it, and I'm hungry. And then I fried it. It says they prefer for you to fry it in coconut oil, but I fried it with olive oil. And I added black peppers and red chili flakes, just like it said on the box. Okay. 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 It actually tastes better than what I remember. So they don't really taste like crab cakes to me, but they are good, and it has a really good texture. I don't know what they use. It's probably pea protein. Yeah, it's a pea protein. They're gluten-free and soy-free and vegan, so of course they're seafood-free and cholesterol-free, but they're good, and they're seasoned well. Hold on. Let me taste it now. Yeah, it's really good. I don't think it needs any hot sauce, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little try. I think the last time I had it, I made a kale salad to go with it. Let's see what happens here. Sriracha makes everything taste better. It's good. I'm gonna try their fish. I have their fish fillets. I didn't mean to get those. I wanted to get their shrimp, but they have fish fillets that I want to try too. And also this, I give this a 4.5 out of 5, only because it doesn't have like that crabby taste, but it does have that sweetness of the crab. It has that sweetness of the crab, and the texture is pretty on point. So they did good with that. It's just that it doesn't have a lot of like that seafood taste to it. So yeah. This was a winner. And I want to say they changed the recipe. It doesn't, the last time I had them, they were good. But this tastes better than what I remember. So, good job, Sophie. They're really good. All right, well, I'm gonna finish my food, and you guys have a nice day. Like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of this product. If you agree with me, if there's another product, a vegan or vegetarian product that you guys would like me to review, let me know. I'm down most of the time. Most of the time I'm down.